Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create slider image and HTML using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We need to create slider image when I want to sell mobile computers or more things. But now I want to show more image in one page. So how we can to do this? We need to create slider image, okay, like this. And me created three files. Now I want to create HTML section dot slider container class name, another create div slider image class name, another div slider img class name, and now select img and source for img. Okay, and create one headline. I want to select S10 and create another div by name, class name details. Okay, details for S10. Another headline S10, and now select or write paragraph for S10 S10 price. Okay, attach CSS file to this HTML and create margin for all HTML files and padding 0, boxes and border box, font families and strip. Now select style for a slider container with 100% height, 100 VH background image, and select here background image for URL. Background repeat, no repeat, background position center, background size cover, background and display flex, align item center, justify contents center. Okay, now select this all div and paste 7 times. Okay, and change source and name, headline and paragraph for everyone. Okay, may pasted this image in current directory. Now copy this again and paste again. Create number for alt. Okay, select headline and paragraph for every image. This will be shown when someone click an image. Okay, like this. Okay, now I want to paste this 2 more time for iPhone 14 and 15. Change image source and headline. Now select style or write style for slider image. Okay, refresh page. Okay, now I want to minimize this. Display flex, align item center, and GAF 21 pixel. Now select style for slider image IMG with 100% height, 100%, and object weight cover. Border radius 6 pixel. Now refresh page. Okay, this is working good. Now select style for slider IMG, class name, okay, with 1 and 1 0 pixel, border radius 6 pixel, cursor pointer position relative, transitions 0.7 second is. Now select style for slider image and select style for slider img, first child and last child. Now select height 480 pixel. Now copy this again and select second child and sixth child. Select now height 560. Now select style for child 3 and child 4, child 5. Now select height. Okay, this is working very good. This one image is not get it CSS. Okay, I will change this. Now after this, just write style for headline 1, font family, font weight, font size, 40 pixel, text align left, text transform uppercase, color white, and position absolute, top 50 100 and left -10 pixel, transparent rotate 270 pixel. Okay, like this. Now this headline showing. Now select style for details. Details is also class name, position absolute bottom, 43 pixel left, also 43 pixel. Now select style for details, headline 2, font family, font size, and font weight, text align left, line height, color, text transform uppercase, transition 0.7 seconds. Okay, now refresh this page. Okay, this headline 2 in paragraph also showing. Now select style for paragraph, just change it to font size and line height. Now select slider image img dot active, weight and height 765 and 750, and select important. Okay, slider img dot active, headline 1, display none. Okay, now change class name for this active, like this. Okay, I will minimize this some pixels. Okay, 7 to 6 and change this all pixels. Okay, now this is looking very good. And change color to black because not showing. Background color also white. Okay, like this. Now select slider img dot active dot detail paragraph and for headline 2 display none. Okay, also display none for P and for H. Okay, now this is looking very good. Now select script file. I will paste this jQuery file in the description of this video. jQuery document dot ready function. Now select dot slider img and click function and click on some image. This will be show slider img dot remove class active. Okay, now slider img dot add, sorry, this dot add class active. Now semicolon and run again. Okay, now click on everyone and here headline and paragraph or details showing for everyone. Okay, like this. By this way we can to create slider image